Yeah, good evening, I go by name Skyward. Please, you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, remember as an affiliate marketer, one of the important thing or the backbone of affiliate marketing to be successful marketer is to have a real and organic traffic system which directs to your site or link, which they purchase and they patronize your service. So that's what for me because I have a software which does that for me. I've tried other method of gathering leads online from SEO and the likes, but all have not been giving me excellent results. I know you might have tried them too. So here is a software which I developed myself, which is already working for me and is out for sale. So this is the account of one of my students who got my software and my video course and has been using it and is doing fine already. So remember, if you want to get my video course today and my software, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyway27@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skyway27@gmail.com to get the software to down my video course to start earning because if you did not learn, you won't earn. So learn today so you can start earning. So and remember, the game is not it's not about how hard you work, it's about how smart you work. Yeah, because this my software is like a smart way of learning and smart way of getting behind and getting ahead in this affiliate marketing game. So remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward27@gmail.com or contact me on my Telegram to the number in the description of this video. Thank you.